Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Before going to the Monday prediction, I would like to review the Thursday's market. Nifty has closed in the flat finish, and there is a new downside target has opened, which has our data which shown the flat finish it has closed. If you join in our group means you can able to get the advantages of it, how to get because of around 11 o'clock it has been aligning in the flat bearish, so that after that how it is breaking according to that the down or the up, it is going to close like that we have given in our group. And that is what exactly happened in our group. We have specifically mentioned that it was around 11 o'clock. We have given that it is in the flattish bearish, but we have specifically mentioned if low is breaking or the high is breaking, according to that it will close in the bearish or in the flat finish. So what happens is it has fall down towards to lower side, once again broken the low and then gone towards to high. It has broke, so it has closed in the range of flat finish. So that is how we are able to find. If you join in our group, you will come to know all those things. And let's go to the prediction for Monday. The Monday data which shows that once again I want to update that high and low, because the high and low which matching, so that you will understand about how it has happened on Thursday. So initially the high was kept inside the resistance level 1 and fall down. Initially it was fall down, but it has broken this key level and opened this target 17,706, but it is not closed yet. So this is the new target for the downside we have. So we are following for this week 17,706 as a new target, and then it has started without closing that level. It has started to go up and came close to pivot level 17,844, uh, 17,842, three points inside range. It has closed, and so it has closed in the flat finish. That is how we are getting the new target. So it is not able to broke the pivot level. That is why it is not able to go towards the bullish further. So that is how Thursday it has ended up. Let's go to the prediction for Monday. The Monday data which shows that uh, we have no warning signal, so that we need to follow the other indicators. So we have two bullish indicators with one volatile and evenly poised. So whenever we get evenly poised, that is the warning which all three results possible. 33.33% rule will be applicable. So whenever we get evenly poised means all three results possible with 33.33% chances. So bullish is having 33.33 and bearish having 33.33% chances, and flat finish is also having 33.33% chances. So this is not going to be easy to trade on this kind of days. So that is the reason we are asking small and safe trader to stay away from the market except euro zero. You can bet euro zero, that is fine, because knowingly investing that we are going to take it as a euro zero. Apart from that, you need to play much more cautiously. And we have a pending target as well in hand, which is new pending target 17,706, and the old pending target for weekly 18,024 is still in hand. So you must have to go with the hedging method. That is the safe play to trade. And the other parameter which shows anything above the volatile level 1, which is more than 0.40%, 71.31, 17,008, 99.31, anything above this level which is in the bullish zone, so you can buy one call option as a hero zero. Anything below volatile 2, which is 0.12% below 21.39 points, 17,806.61 below, it is in the bearish zone. If pre-opening is below this level, you can buy one put option as a hero zero. If anything in between volatile level 1 and volatile level 2, then you need to go for a hedging method, because it is in the volatile, so you must have to go with the hedging method, and you need to keep stop loss, volatile stop loss here at for selling, and volatile stop loss for bullish here at buying. So these two levels we can go with the sell and buy according to the volatile. This is the volatile stop loss for buying, this is the volatile stop loss for selling. If from this level plus 10 points you need to add as a stop loss. If 17,009, 17.14 is not closing, not breaking, plus 10 points means 27. So plus 10 points is not breaking this level high, then Nifty is having high chances to fall down from this level. And this particular level 17,806.61 is not breaking minus 10 points, then Nifty is having potential to recover towards a bullish. So we need to watch out the pivot level as well, because anything below the pivot level Nifty will always try to come down, anything above the pivot level Nifty will always try to go up. So you need to watch out this particular day as well. But as per this particular parameter day, last 3 months data, so far I am updating. So in this pattern, if we get according to that, in the past records are shown, the from the pre-opening points, it has fallen down heavily. From the pre-opening points it has fallen down around 153, 169, 137, 159, so that whatever the price from the pre-opening, you can buy one put option as a hero zero, because from the pre-opening it has fall down that level, but the previous closing it is not much bigger number. But from the pre-opening, because there is a pre-opening 126 points, there is a pre-opening 111 points, there is a pre-opening around 80 points, there is a pre-opening around 25 points. From that particular level it has gone low around 27 minus, 89 minus, 26 minus, and 134 minus. So all put together, what it shows that the from the opening level it has fall down minimum 137 to 169, so that you can bet one put option as a hero zero, because the past records for a one past records for the last 3 months it has shown like that. I'm updating the other data, so it might give you beautiful results in the future, but as of now you can take small risk in the put option as a hero zero. And the other data which shows that par value, data which shows that once again, if anything pre-opening below this level, pre-opening below 17,913.4, then Nifty will try to come down towards to 17,428. There is a potential it might stay here, or it might stay here and reverse a bit, we may not know, because evenly poised has all results possible. So play safe. If pre-opening is below this level means one put option is advisable. And we have one volatile also. Volatile, as per volatile rule, we used to trade positive target 1, positive target 2 to negative target 2, which means 297 to 162. So both side range are having a little higher, so hedging method is advisable to go equally 100 points minimum. If you buy 100 points minimum, you can buy call option 100 and put option 100 for 1 week. If it is not gives you an exit 1000 rupees to 3000 rupees in intraday, you need not to worry, you can wait till F&O closing. If it is gives you a profit of 1000 to 3000, then intraday itself you can exit. You need to buy a combination call option around 100 points and put option around 100 points. You need to buy according to that which option is available. at 100. So the only worrying part is if it is goes in a flat finish, these might go in a loss around that combination might go loss if it goes in a flat finish. If you are buying 100 points and the call option and put option 100 points both if you are buying, and if market is ended up in a flat finish, then both side will go around 20-30 points minus. But you need not to worry. Why? Because you have the flexibility to hold for a week. So next 4 days, it will give you a minimum result with a positive around 250 points above exit in single side, any single side. So you can buy and hold for a week time. So that is advisable. So you need not to worry for intraday. If you get intraday itself, you can bet. And as per this particular data, which shows that anything above 17 9 17, then only bullish will take control. Anything in the negative, it is taking control on the bearish. So play safe on Monday. And the data which shows, this is the data which we are newly tracking. So as per those 7 results which shows, if it is flat, it is in the flat, clearly flat. But even in the flat bullish, it shows good number 121 point to 132. If it is a bullish, 161 to 190, and if it is extreme bullish, 257 to 300. So positives are in decent numbers, but bearish side, flat bearish, it is showing kind of flat only around 51 to 40. Comparison with the flat bullish, flat bearish is much lower comparing. So still you need to play cautiously, and bearish is having some decent number, 102 to 82, and extreme bearish 200 to 170. So once again dominating dominations are there in the positive side. But as per evenly poised rule, you if you want to play safe, you need to go with the hedging method. So that is the best method to go. Why? Because see, as we know, in particular, some days we knew that we have a single track or something like that. So if you know your track, it is going to be a bullish, you can buy. If it is going to be bearish, you can buy according to that. If you don't know the tracks where we are going, so if you are going with the path, if on Monday it is a track like this, so whether it is going to bullish, whether it is going to bearish, we need to go with the success. So we need to have success, but we may not know which path will lead us to success. So if it is kind of this kind of a day, you need to play safe. That is what my advice is. So better you can go with the edging method. That is what that particular data which shows. So that is what I'm trying to point out as well. If you want to get success, you need to play cautiously, and many people are not understanding the fundamental and basic rules of our prediction, so they are not following properly. If you follow us properly and have the patience to understand the basic concept of our prediction, then you cannot lose much money in the market. You can have the flexibility to make every day minimum profit as well. Our idea is to make you to get profit. So if you want to play with the hedging method, you can able to get some good amount of profit. As I told in the put option, hero zero is much advisable because from the pre-open, what it shows that minimum 137 points to 169 points, it is falling down in this kind of data. So whatever the pre-open price, whether it is going to be in the plus, whether it is going to be in the minus, from that point, if it is 100 or if it is minus 100, from that level, whatever the price, it might be any price, it is minimum falling down 137 to 160. This is the idea, so that you can buy one put option as a hero zero on this particular day. So play safe, but still the best method to go with the hedging method, so that you can able to make money. So as per these data, you need to follow where the Nifty is going to close as well. If you are a bearish trader, still you need to keep some insurance in the call option side, because as per evenly poised, it might go any level. As per this particular data, if if Nifty is breaking this level, then bullish will take control. If Nifty is struggling, then Nifty will go down towards to the negative side. So all we need to watch out where the Nifty low is going to keep. If Nifty is keeping low perfectly, when that particular level, you can keep stop loss and go for a buy. But once again, I'm repeating, 100 points equally by hedging method is advisable. Small and safe traders, but avoid trading today. I mean on Monday and exact 0 0. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. The summary Nifty we have two bullish indicators, one volatile and one evenly poised. So evenly poised, we knew that all three result possible with equal amount of chances. So it is not going to be easy to trade. So that small and safe traders better avoid trading today except 0 0. If you can buy 0 0, that is fine. And the the target pending target, and one more point I forgotten, that 80% target we have in the positive side around 35 points, around 17,963, which is the condition is pre-opening must have to be in the positive, then only 80% of the time it is hitting still, what 20% failure is there. But if pre-opening is in the negative, then chances will decrease to 50-50. Sometimes it might fail. So pre-opening is negative means don't trade for this target, it is high risk. If pre-opening is in the positive, then you can take chances one call option as a hero zero. So we have one positive side weekly target 18,024 and two negative side target which is 17,706, 16,927, and the positive average which shows around 18,174 and negative average which shows 194, so 17,603. So we have good numbers on both sides, and we have CPR which is in the bullish. So CPR indicating bullish, but still our data is wanted to play safe because we have evenly poised all three results possible. So I think method is advisable. And as per volatile rule, positive target to negative target to, we it is giving huge number around 300 to 150 points, so that the hedging method will be advisable. So let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. Thank you.